In this video, we will go over geometric sequence. So the idea behind geometric sequence is that the ratio of consecutive terms will be constant, and you can kind of think exponential function, and we'll do a concrete problem. And if you want to know what a sub n is equal to, it will equal a sub 1 times parentheses r raised to n minus 1. So this first line, ratio of consecutive terms, will be a constant. So I know this sequence right here is a geometric sequence, and we can verify this first line. Ratio of consecutive terms will be a constant. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 32 divided by 16 is 2. 64 divided by 32 is 2. And 128 divided by 64 is 2. And so for this problem, we want to determine the nth term, the general formula, and also determine the 7th term. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to determine the next term. And so if you want to pause the video and attempt this problem, feel free. So here I just showed that the ratio of consecutive terms will be a constant. And here I'm saying that a sub 1 is 4, and I want to determine a sub n. And so if you notice, if I use this formula, a sub 1 is 4 times r is going to be 2 raised to n minus 1. And so if I want to just try this formula to see what a sub 2 is, I can plug in 2 minus 1, so I get 4 times 2 raised to 2 minus 1. So this becomes 1. So 4 times 2 is 8. If I want to check a sub 3, same idea. So I know a sub 1 is 4, I know r is 2, and I want to find a sub 3, so I want to find 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 becomes 2. So 4 times 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And so in order to solve a sub n, it's going to equal 4 times parentheses 2 raised to n minus 1. So that's the first part of the problem. We also want to determine a sub 7. And so I just use the formula. So a sub 7 is equal to 4 times parentheses 2 raised to 7 minus 1. So I get 2 raised to 6. Immediately I know 2 raised to 5 is 32. So 2 raised to 6 will be 2 times 32. So 64. So 64 times 4 is 256. Or you could say, instead of 2 raised to 6, you could say 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 64. 64 times 4 is 256. And that's pretty much it for this video.